محمرة is a delicious Middle Eastern dip, made with roasted red peppers, walnuts, breadcrumbs, and various spices. It's typically served as an appetizer or a side dish. Here's a recipe for محمرة. Ingredients: 2 large red bell peppers, 1 cup walnuts. Toasted 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons 2 tablespoons pomegranate molasses, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper optional, 3 tablespoons olive oil. Salt to taste of fresh parsley. For garnish, toasted pita bread or crackers. For serving instructions, preheat your oven to 400 F 200 Celsius. Place the red bell peppers on a baking sheet and roast them for about 25 to 30 minutes, until the skins are charred and blistered. Alternatively, you can roast them directly over a gas flame until the skins are blackened. Remove the roasted peppers from the oven or them directly over a gas flame until the skins are blackened. Remove the roasted peppers from the oven or flame and transfer them to a bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the peppers steam for about 10 minutes. This will make it easier to peel off the skins. Once the peppers are cool enough to handle, peel off the skins and discard them. Remove the seeds and chop the peppers into small pieces. In a food processor or blender, add the toasted walnuts and pulse until finely ground. Add the roasted red peppers, breadcrumbs, pomegranate molasses, lemon juice, minced garlic, ground cumin, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper if using, and salt to the food processor. Blend everything together until you have a smooth and creamy consistency. With the food processor still running, drizzle in the olive oil gradually until it is well incorporated into the dip. You may need to scrape down the sides of the processor bowl to ensure everything is mixed evenly. Taste the محمرة and adjust the seasoning if needed. Add more salt, lemon juice, or spices according to your preference. Transfer the محمرة to a serving dish, garnish with chopped fresh parsley and drizzle with a little olive oil. Serve the محمرة with toasted pita bread or crackers. It can also be used as a spread in sandwiches or as a dip for vegetables. Enjoy your homemade محمرة dip. Thank you for joining me in this محمرة making adventure. I hope you give this recipe a try and savor the incredible flavors of this Middle Eastern dip. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And remember, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking.